Hi everyone, welcome to How To Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can post stories on TikTok. So as you all know, TikTok has brought on the story feature like other apps like Instagram and Snapchat. And now you can also post stories on TikTok where you'll be able to, where the video disappears after 24 hours. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to post stories on TikTok. But before we learn to do that, do consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss another update from us. So let's get started. So let's open the TikTok app. And then to create a new video, you'll click on the plus icon over here in the center. And then let's say you want to record a video. Let's record a video right now. Okay, and then after recording, you click on the tick. Now you have the option of post to story on your left bottom. So you click on that and now it will be posted to your stories. So this blue icon means, blue ring over your profile icon means that your story is posted. So this is the story that you just posted, and it's also seen on your profile. So yeah, it's very easy and very simple. I hope this video is of help to you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please leave a like if you like the video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So that's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.